Hey there, second grade families. Tomorrow we are going to have iReady testing round 2. So as you may remember, we did the iReady diagnostic at the beginning of this year, and doing that diagnostic helped the iReady app create individualized lessons for your student to excel and go at their own pace in both math and reading. So it is time to do a check-in diagnostic where we are going to reevaluate your child's skills and make sure that iReady is providing them with the right lessons they need to be successful. I just wanted to do a quick run through about how to log into the iReady test for tomorrow, January 6th. We will be doing the math portion on Wednesday, January 6th. And when you log into iReady, this is what you're going to see. If you do not have your child's login information, please contact me at your soonest, at your earliest convenience. It's very important they have their login information. So this is the first screen you'll see. Log in just like normal, type in your username, the password. You have to choose Michigan, open this drop box, choose Michigan, then click Go. Then you will choose the subject. We're doing reading, or I'm so sorry, we're doing math tomorrow, January 6th. We're doing math. So you're going to click this. Then you're going to click on the math diagnostic. So that should be math diagnostic. You're going to click on this box. Then you're going to click no, you are not working in the school building today. Click continue. You're going to watch a video. Then you're going to click answering questions. You're going to view my progress. And then click start test, which is an orange button, right, that looks like this. And those are the steps to log into the iReady test for tomorrow. Reminder, we are doing the math portion. We are doing the math portion. So when you get here, please choose math. All right? Any questions, please feel free to send them my way. We will be doing this in the morning tomorrow before lunch. All right. Thanks and have a great day.